the Baking Diva. And if you're new here, my name is Dolores. Yeah, that's an old-fashioned name. I was named after my grandmother. I guess you may have figured out, well, I am Italian. But anyway, it's Memorial Day weekend. And we're not doing anything special. It's going to be a quiet weekend. Actually, it's hard to believe the sun came out. Oh, we have had rain, and I'm talking rain every day for weeks and weeks and weeks. And they're expecting some rain this coming week too. I don't get it. I just can't believe it. But anyway, we make the best of it, right? And today I'm going to show you a recipe. It's really yummy and it's super easy. And it's not just for Memorial Day or 4th of July. No, it's for any time you feel like having a delicious slider. But these are going to be little Smokie chili cheese sliders. Do they sound good? Well, let me tell you, they are, and they're super easy to make. So what do you say we get started? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers and it has taken me forever. So if you like the video, just hit the subscribe and it would help me a lot. So let's get started. First of all, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now take a pan that you can put in the oven. This is a tiny bit big, but you know, you want a pan. Let me grab these over here. You want a pan that these 12-pack Hawaiian rolls can fit in. Now these are just the regular, original Hawaiian sweet rolls. Oh, I love these. They're so good. So anyway, let me take them out of the package here. And this is how they come. They come 12 or they come bigger packages, but I'm just making 12 today. So they come in this cardboard carton. Let me take them out of here, just like this. Oh, I just noticed it says right on here, scan here for irresistible slider Sunday recipes. I'm going to have to check that out. All right, so I'm taking them off the cardboard. Sometimes it sticks a little to the bottom because they're nice and fresh. Well, let me just get these out. Take a knife because I don't want them to stick down here off the cardboard. All righty, there we go. Okay, I'm not going to separate them. Let me move this. I'm going to put them in my dish just like this. Okay? If the dish was a tiny bit smaller, they'd fit perfectly, but this is okay. Now, this is going to be hard for me to show you, but I will put a picture in. I'll tell you what I'm doing, and then I'll put a picture in so you'll understand it better. And move these over, center them. There you go. All right, I have a knife. I don't know which one I want to use, a serrated one or not. I don't think I'll use this one. And what I'm going to do, on each row of these rolls, I'm going to put 2 lines. I'm going to put one going down like this and one going down like this. And then I'm going to take out the middle. So I'll put a picture in to show you, but I'm going to have to do it like this for now, and I'm working solo. So let me just, it goes really easy. I'm putting one. You're not going to go all the way to the bottom now. You don't want to do that. Just going to go like this. And then next to it, I'm going to go like that. So I know you can't see it, but I just put 2 lines down there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the filling, and I'll show this to you, of what I just, see what I'm doing? I'm sliding it out, comes right out. I'm sliding out just the center of the roll in between the 2 lines I cut. All right. Let me hold this up and I'll show you. Then you'll understand a little bit better. Can you see that, what I did? Okay. Now, what we're going to put in between them is a little beef, a little smoky. I'll put some photos in for you. These happen to be Hillshire Farms beef little smokies, okay? So I have to cut what I just showed you on all 3 rows. So I'll do that now. So I'm going to do what I showed you the first time on the first row, and I'm going to cut the other 2 rows. Okay. Just remember, don't go all the way down. Okay. Take the breading out of that. I'm going to eat a little piece. Oh, they're good. That sweetness, so good. Okay. And this is easy. It rolls right out. The filling just rolls right out. Oh yeah. Not hard to do at all. See that? I think I'm gonna probably be eating some of this filling because it's so good. All right. So let me hold it up and show you. And this is what I did. You see that? Very simple. Would it just take me a couple of minutes? Okay. Now I'm going to take my little smokies. These are beef smokies. They're actually a beef smoked sausages, and they're tiny. They are merry little babies. I'm going to put one in each one of these slits that I made. I'm going to hold it up and show you in a minute, but it takes a second. This is such an easy recipe, and boy is it good. Having it for lunch today. So I don't know what all of you are doing for Memorial Day weekend. Like I say, a lot of people here didn't make plans because I'm in New Jersey because it's just raining every single day. Nobody can get yard work done. They can't get their planting done. It's just raining constantly. Alrighty. Okay. All right. So let me hold that up and show you to see what it's going to look like. Isn't that easy? All right. Okay, so since these are little smoky chili cheese sliders, I'm going to use, well, my favorite canned chili. Obviously, if you have homemade, fine, but I'm going to use the Hormel chili, no beans. Okay, don't use beans for this. Use the no beans chili. And I'm just going to put a little bit on top of each smoky. Looks good. These are a little messy to eat, but trust me, they're well worth it. Just don't wear a white shirt. Okay, on top of the little smokies. There you go. Not a lot. I'm putting maybe like a teaspoonful on top of each one. Okay. Can't wait to eat these. I'm hungry. your chili. And like I say, get the Hormel chili. Out of all the canned ones, that I would say is my better one, my favorite one. And chop up some onion. And put a little bit more onion on this one. Okay. And let's see what else. Well, these are little Smokie chili cheese sliders. So, what do we need? We need some cheese. So let me get the cheese out. Alrighty. So I'm using some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. If you want to give it a little more zing, you can use like that Mexican cheese. It's like the 3 cheeses in one, but I'm just using the plain cheddar. So I'm gonna just shake it right out of this bag, right on top of all of them. Oh yes. Put as much or as little on there as you want. All right, these are looking good already, and I haven't even put them in the oven. So easy to make. If you have more people, just get the larger rolls. Okay. Okay, I put a few pictures in for you. Now I am going to put this in my 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until all that cheese is melted. And then I'm going to take them out. We're going to do a taste testing. So stay tuned. Oh my goodness, this looks outrageous. It's pretty hot, but I'm gonna cut one of them because I want to do a taste testing. Remember what I said. Don't wear a white top. They could be messy. All right, let me take a knife. I have to stand for this. Cut one of these. And these are great for a meal, an appetizer, anything you like. Okay. Let me take it out. It's very hot. Uh-oh. Too hot. That's all right. Okay. Should I dare? It's pretty hot. Just came out of the oven. Ah! All right, here we go. It's a chili dog. It's good. And it's in a slider form. I give it 2 thumbs up. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now because we want to eat these while they're hot because we're hungry. So thanks for stopping by. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. And looks good. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you follow along. I have some more great recipes coming up. So anyway, take care, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for stopping by. Toodles! Now I have to eat these.